Okay, here we're looking at a basic overview of thermodynamics. This picture gives you a real quick summary. We're having a system and its surroundings, which are separated by a boundary. A little more specifically here, the definition is the study of the flow and transformation of energy in the universe. Thermodynamics directly translates to heat changes and is only concerned with large-scale observations. Let's look at an example. So the first law of thermodynamics, it's the law of conservation of energy. It states that energy can be converted but not created nor destroyed. An example would that be here. We have our food energy here, right? Energy stored in the food and our chemical energy that we eat is converted or transformed into mechanical energy when we run. Since energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be converted. The total energy before in the food items is equal to the total energy after, even though a transformation occurred. This is the first law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be converted without the loss of usable energy. Energy lost, and I put that in quotes here, is converted to thermal energy. So we see our energy before in this kind of box here. And our usable energy after is a smaller portion, even though if we add up the usable energy after and the unusable energy after, we get the same amount. Now, what's this unusable energy? Well, this unusable energy can be that thermal energy. So if we take a ball and we bounce it in the same area again and again and again, it'll actually be warm. The area where it keeps bouncing will be warm. There's a transfer of thermal energy. That energy is what we call lost, in the sense that we're not able ourselves to use it. However, we still account for that energy, and it's still accounted for. So the total energy before is the same as the energy after. However, we have to account for some amount of that energy that is considered unusable, and that typically is lost in the form of heat. Even though we add up that heat energy plus our usable energy, we will get the same amount, because again, we cannot create or destroy energy. Hopefully that's a good quick overview of thermodynamics.